This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change Dodge Avenger brake pads updated. First, loosen lug nuts slightly, lift the car with a jack and secure it on stands, remove the wheel and inspect the brake assembly. Work systematically, keeping track of bolts and clips. Clean the caliper bracket, compare old pads to new ones, and apply brake grease where the pads contact the hardware. Reassemble, torque the lug nuts and perform a careful test drive. Use steady, calm movements when removing the caliper to avoid damaging the brake hose and boots. After loosening the bolts, gently work the caliper free and suspend it out of the way. Compare the old pads with the new set to confirm fit and orientation. Thoroughly clean the caliper bracket and contact points, then compress the piston slowly with a C-clamp until it sits flush. This creates space for the new pads and prevents brake drag. If this walkthrough is helping you out, please subscribe and hit like so I can keep making useful guides. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car, so I use Little Tree's black ice in my cab for a steady fresh scent while working. Check the description for the link and other deals I mentioned, and if you pick one up, it supports the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Place the new pads and hardware carefully, ensuring the friction material faces the rotor. Install any anti-rattle clips and coat contact points with a proper brake lubricant. Compress the caliper piston fully and slide the caliper back over the pads without forcing it. Torque the mounting bolts to the correct value and reinstall the wheel, tightening lug nuts in a star pattern. Lower the vehicle, torque the wheels, and pump the brake pedal to restore pressure before driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.